Hello and welcome back to our fourth video in how to build Power BI dashboard series. In last video, we talked about how to build Power BI model and shared some of the best practices. In today's video, we're going to keep building our dashboard and take a look at common situation that often happens in our daily work, and that is when your stakeholders ask you to create Power BI dashboard without giving any specification or requirements. And I'm going to show you how to handle this situation on an easy and fast way and get great results. So let's head over to Power BI. Okay, and here we are in our flight performance dashboard. In previous video, we built our star schema for this dashboard. Now what we need is to find some ideas what we are going to present here, which charts, visualizations and metrics we can create. Usually we should get these from stakeholders or the person who requested this report. However, that's not the case. We will assume that we didn't get any specifications and we will have to figure out by our own which metrics and charts we are going to build here. So let's take a look at our fact table. Here it is, flights fact table, and see which data do we have here. So we have flight date, departure, arrival, plan, staff, country, passenger count, and revenue. So this doesn't mean a lot to us. I mean, we can spend hours and hours thinking which charts would be the best for this data set, but we are going to do one very simple thing which will help us to get ideas very fast. So first thing what we are going to do is we are going to copy fact table. So right click on it, copy table, and now open Excel. Here it is. Blank workbook, and paste this data set. Now let's select first, let's select first 30 rows and copy. Now let's open Google, go to ChatGPT, and let's write some prompts. From this data set, and now let's copy paste. So query is: hi, you're data analyst that works for flying company and you got following data set to build Power BI report. Based on the data set, suggest me which charts we can create, measures and KPIs from this data set, and let's paste first 30 rows that we copied from Excel table. Okay, here we have some great results. Okay, charts to create: revenue by date, time-based analysis, and here we have all fields that we are going to use defined. So in x-axis we are going to use flight date, y-axis we are going to use revenue. So this will be our first chart. It will be line chart or area chart. ChatGPT suggested everything, all variations, and we do not need to think about anything. We just need to follow these simple instructions. So we have then revenue by airport, chart type bar chart, what we need to add in x-axis, what we need to add in y-axis, revenue by country, bar chart or tree map, revenue versus passenger count, flights by plane, number of flights by staff. We can see how our staff is experienced, who are the most experienced persons in our company. Flight volume by airport pair, measures. Now look at this. We even have measures defined and DAX formulas: total revenue, total passengers. Everything is defined. I mean, this is so easy. It can't be easier than this. You just need, to copy paste all these DAX formulas in your Power BI report. Look at this, all formulas have been defined. Key performance indicator, passenger growth. I mean, we got a lot of examples what we can implement in our dashboard, and in our next video we are going to start developing these measures and visualizations, and on the end, I mean, we will have plenty of pages and visualizations, and I think that our stakeholders will be very satisfied with this report. I mean, they will get plenty of visualizations and they will be able to choose which one they like, and then they will be able to define their requirements very easy. Look at this, we got everything we need. And that's it for today's video. In our next video, we are going to start building these measures and charts. If you didn't watch our previous videos, you can go to my channel, and please, of course, like and subscribe if you want to see this dashboard from beginning to end. Thank you very much for watching, have a nice day, and see you in my next video. Bye.